Hi folks, this is Eric Rawlings. If bad credit is keeping you from buying a home for your family or reaching other goals in your life, then this is probably the most important video you'll watch this year. If you currently have bad credit, there is help. I'm about to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how you can climb out of the bad credit hole faster than you ever thought possible. Credit repair is one of the most misunderstood subjects in America today. And all the misinformation is the reason that most people have no idea how to repair their credit effectively. That's probably the reason you're wrong more times than you're right when it comes to increasing your credit score. That's why you're still unsure if you should be paying off old collections, settling old debts, and a host of other time and money wasting things that you heard from a friend or things that you read online. It's also why you're still paying high interest rates, stuck renting, and why you're still guessing how to improve your credit score. Like I said, my name's Eric Rawlings and I'm with Integrity Credit Solutions. We're a North Carolina based company that's been helping people increase their credit score and improve their quality of life since 2009. We use state and federal credit reporting requirements to hold creditors, collection agencies, and the credit reporting agencies to a higher level accountability that most credit repair companies don't even know exists. And that's just one of the differences that separates us from companies that use a generic approach to credit repair. Another major difference is our credit blitz. Many credit repair companies limit the number of accounts that they will address or they will engage on a monthly basis. For instance, if somebody has 10 accounts that they have late payments or they've been charged off or their collections, whatever the case may be, any kind of negative information, they have 10 accounts, and if the company only sends out 6 letters of correspondence per month, and many of the companies do, it could take months to address every account on your credit report just one time. Well, we don't do business like that. These companies do this to string you along, slow down your credit repair process so they can bill you longer. And it's a waste of time and money. Our credit blitz is designed to address every single negative account on your credit report on the very first round. This means that we often accomplish more for our clients in the first 30 to 45 days than other companies do in several months. And that's not only is our process efficient, but our team's extremely fast. When someone enrolls in our program or when you send correspondence in that you've received, our team generally has that correspondence out within 24 hours. Faster turnaround means a quicker process for you and that you're going to reach your credit goals even faster. And we're also extremely detailed. Different types of accounts are governed by different types of statutes. They have different requirements. For example, a medical bill would be handled by HIPAA, and that would be handled differently than a repossession. A foreclosure would be handled differently than a credit card that's been charged off. A tax lien would be handled differently than late payments, and so on and so forth. And while other companies may only use one or two different approaches, our detailed approach gets results that other companies simply can't. When someone enrolls in our program, they begin to see they start getting responses within about 30 to 45 days, often sooner. And here's what's going to happen. Once you start receiving your responses, you're going to get responses back similar to this. It'll say some of the information's been deleted, some of it's no longer on file, some of it's been verified, some of it's new information. Here's one from directly from a creditor where an account's been deleted. Here's one from a different credit reporting agency, from a collection agency. Whenever you get those, whether it's been deleted or there's just more information, whatever the case may be, you're going to send that in to us, and we're just going to keep going with it. It's like wash, rinse, and repeat. We just keep on going and digging deeper and asking for different information until we find out if the information's not supposed to be there and we have it deleted, or it is supposed to be there and it stays. But And it's really exciting to see all these deleted letters, seeing all this stuff's deleted. That's really great. That's cool. And that's what everybody wants to show you. But that's only half the process. The other half of the process is to build new credit or build good credit strategically, not just going out and buying a car or opening up a personal loan or whatever the case may be. Specific types of accounts have will impact your credit score greater than other types of accounts. And we walk you through that step by step. We hold your hand through the process. We lead you right where you need to go. We show you what types of accounts, where to go. And the good thing is you don't have to jump into a lot of debt or get in over your head to do this. You can do it. We show you how to do it wisely. And it's easy whenever you have the right information. Like I said, we walk you through the process step by step. We'll show you exactly where to go online to open your accounts. We've handpicked these resources. These resources are more likely to approve you. That way you don't end up with a lot of inquiries from companies that have turned you down, because that's just going to drag your score right back down. And when negative accounts are deleted and you rebuild credit the way that we show you, the results are awesome. Here's what others have to say about our process. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Alejandra Medrano, and I want to thank Eric Rollins with Integrity Credit Solutions for helping me achieve the American dream. Thanks to him and his guidance to take over my credit score, I am a proud owner of this beautiful home behind me. Thank you so much for everything you have done. You're a pleasure to work with, and I highly recommend him to anyone who wants to fix their credit.
Hi, my name is Marco. This is my wife, Kristen Zapata. This is our story.
We were recently trying to refinance our home for a lower interest rate and discovered that our credit score needed a little help. So we were able to team up with Eric Rawlings from Integrity Credit Solutions, and with his help, within a few short months, we were able to close on our new home with a lower interest rate, which saved us thousands of dollars over the next 30 years. So thank you to Eric and Integrity Credit Solutions.
I don't want to embarrass you, Eric. Stand up for just a moment, would you please? This is Eric Rollins, for you that don't know him. Eric's been a friend of mine for a few years, and he and his beautiful wife just moved to Salisbury, and we welcomed them to Rowan County. He was born and raised here, and we welcomed them to Cornerstone Church. But see, I got to deal with him this week because this week I pulled my credit score. And I'm like insane about that kind of stuff. He'll tell you. I called him one time. I said, Eric, I got this situation going on. He said, what's your credit score? And I told him. He started laughing. He said, I've never had nobody call me with a credit score that high worried about their credit score or something like that. Well, this week I put my credit score and it was like 860 something or whatever it was. But I got a thing on my credit score that doesn't supposed to be on my credit score. So I'm going to call him this week, and by faith right now, he's going to get it off for me. Because that's what he does. Listen to me. He's going to be doing a class in a couple of weeks. I don't even know what night it's on, whenever it is. And the reason why I want to do this is because I want you to understand, because you may not understand about fixing your credit, but this is very important. I've seen this man work with people who had 400 and 500 credit scores and got their credit scores to 650, 750, all the way up close to 800. So you've got to start somewhere. If you're messed up, see the man. Amen? Don't be embarrassed. Don't worry about it. Because here at Cornerstone, we understand the value of a credit score. The credit score this week salvaged Kristen and Marco $25,000 plus because of a credit score. Is that right, banker? The banker's there. I saw the email. So the bottom line is, don't act like your credit score don't matter. It does matter. See, here at Cornerstone, we don't just talk about the spiritual, we talk about the everyday life. You got to understand the value of what's taking place in your life, and you've got to understand that if you don't take care of your money is going to cost you more.
All right, so if you made it this far, you're probably wondering, what's this going to cost me? Well, that's the best part. With Integrity Credit Solutions, you only pay for the services you need. when someone enrolls, the initial setup fee is $199, and then it's $89 a month afterwards for a maximum of 6 months. What this means is that if you reach your credit goal in 2, 3, or 4 months, you can cancel your services. You're not bound to the entire 6 payments. But so you only pay for what you need. But let's say, for instance, you need service for quite a bit longer. Once that last payment of $89, that 6th payment of $89 has been made, we'll continue to work on your credit for 1 year from the date that you enroll. So as an example, if you started out in January, if you were to enroll in January and you made all 6 of your payments, that means that your last payment would have been in July. Well, we would keep working on your credit through December. And that's only if you needed it for a while. And we do this for a couple of reasons. First is to prove that we're working as hard as we can to help you reach your credit goal as fast as possible, and we're not stringing you along. A lot of companies out there, they will slow down your process so they can bill you longer. So it takes you longer to hit your credit goal. We don't do that. We work as hard as we can straight out of the gate for you. And it's in our best interest to help you reach your credit goal as fast as possible. And we've also found that the faster we help you reach your credit goals, the more referrals we get. Let's face it, that 60% of America has bad credit, so we all has some sort of bad credit. We all know someone that has bad credit. So they just don't know who to trust. So the faster we help you hit your goals, we found the more referrals that we get. So we offer a premium service at an affordable price, and that's the reason that over 95% of our clients come from referrals from loan officers, referrals from happy clients. And to top it off, our services are guaranteed if you follow through with the work. Like I've shown you before, half of the process is removing inaccurate, unverifiable, negative information from your credit report, and the other half is getting reestablished. Guess what part I can't do for you? I can't open up those accounts for you. I can show you where to go. I can't make you keep your balances low. That's a must. But I can show you what to do. I can't make you do these things, but if you'll follow through with your part, you're going to have success in the process, and I guarantee that. So at this point, you know that our program works. You know that bad credit's costing you more money than the investment in this program. That's a no-brainer. So give us a call at 1-888-556-7265 and start working toward improving your credit and living the lifestyle you deserve. You wouldn't be watching this video right now if you weren't dissatisfied with your current credit situation. And let me ask you this, if you don't start doing something about your credit today, how is next month going to be any different than today? It's not. You're still going to be stuck in your situation, whether that's renting or paying high interest rates or whatever the case may be. So why not start changing things up today? Here's the deal. You're going to need your credit sooner or later. Don't wait until you find the house of your dreams or a really low interest rates offered to you, something that could save you thousands of dollars, and you can use that money for your family somewhere else other than just giving it to the bank in the way of excessively high fees. So do something about it. Life's better with good credit. And if you've got things financed at high rates, you know it's costing you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. So if you don't take action now, in a year, you're going to look back and you're going to think, man, the little bit of money that that program was going to cost me would have been absolutely nothing compared to what I've wasted on rent and high interest rates. So give me a call. Give us a call at 1-888-556-7265. We'll help you pull your credit. We'll show you exactly what to do, and we'll make a step-by-step plan for you. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Again, our number is 1-888-556-7265.